Hey students, this is just a quick video to show you how to answer question 3. In the last video I showed you how to split the data between males and females, so you're analyzing males separately from females. So when you're looking at question 3, it's asking you what is the median for men and what is the median for women for the variable prey. Okay, so like I said, the data has already been split. So what you need to do is go find the variable prey and then create a frequency distribution out of that. I'm not going to show you what the variable prey because I don't want to give you the answer. I'm going to show you how to do this with the variable degree. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics. You can click on Frequencies. You're going to right click to display variable names. And let's just find the variable degree. Okay, so I'm going to click that into this variable box. So what you also need to do is come up to this upper right hand corner and click Statistics. And degree is an ordinal level variable, so you can calculate the median and the mode. The mean doesn't make sense for ordinal level data. Press continue, press OK. So now we have the median and the mode for males for degree, and we have the median and the mode for the variable degree for females. Okay, so like I said, you can do the same thing for prey. Now you might be thinking to yourself, okay, well the median says 1 and then the median says 1. So when you're trying to answer question 3, if you put 1 in, the Canvas is going to tell you that it's not asking for a number, that it's actually asking for a category. So what does it mean by asking for a category? So what you want to do is come back to the data view window, find the variable degree, hover over it, right click, and then press variable information. Okay. So now this tells you how the variable is coded. So if the median is 1, that means that the median is high school. Okay. If the median or the mean was 2, then that would mean junior college. 3, bachelor's. 4, graduate. 7, missing. 8, don't know. 9, no answer. 0, less than high school. So when it's asking you for the median, it's not asking you for the number because the number doesn't really mean anything. So the median of 3 doesn't really mean anything. It's asking you for what category that number corresponds to. Okay. So what you do, you first calculate the median and then find out what that number corresponds to or what category that number corresponds to. Hopefully this helps.